Good morning, students. Now, today our topic is family Solanaceae. Clear? Today we'll discuss some of the features and the diagram for the family Solanaceae. Only this family is in your syllabus, so do only one family. Now, this family is a large family and commonly we called as a potato family. It is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics, and even in the temperate zones. Means it is almost found. The plants of this family is almost found in all type of environment, right? Next is vegetative characters. Means what type of root, stem, and leaves are present. If we talk about the size of this plant, mostly the plants of family Solanaceae are herbs. छोटे छोटे पौधे होते हैं, shrubs, medium sized. But if we talk about the trees, they are rarely found, right? Stem is mostly herbaceous and rarely woody, aerial, erect, cylindrical, branched, and hollow, hairy or glabrous. Now, underground stem in potato, clear? जो potatoes है उसमें stem ज़मीन के नीचे होती है, it is underground, right? Now, if we talk about the leaves, अगर हम leaves की बात करें, leaves are alternate, simple, rarely pinnately compound, clear? For example, if we talk about the venation, that is reticulate venation, clear? Now, come to the floral characters. Inflorescence, it is solitary, axillary or cymose type. As in case of solanum, okay, which is in your syllabus. Now, if we talk about the flower, flower is bisexual, means male and female both parts are present. Actinomorphic, you can cut the flower into two equal halves. Calyx, sepals 5, united, persistent, लगे रहेंगे फूल के साथ और फ्रूट के साथ. Velvet aestivation, right? Now, corolla, petals 5, united, again velvet aestivation is there. If we talk about androecium, stamens 5 and epipetalous. Gynoecium bicarpellary, syncarpous ovary and ovaries superior, ठीक है, and bilocular, clear? Swollen with many ovules. Now, fruits are berry or capsule type. Seeds many and endospermous, endosperm still present. If we talk about the floral formula on the basis of this, अगर हमने सबको एक short में लिखना है, तो this symbol, first one, it is used for actinomorphic. This sign is used for the bisexual flower. And then this is calyx 5, clear? Bracket means they are joined. Then this is corolla, colored. Petals, this is also 5 in bracket joint. Androecium 5, gynoecium 2. Now this line represent कि corolla and androecium ये दोनों आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है. ये जो नीचे हमने लाइन लगाई है gynoecium के नीचे, ये शो करती है कि ovaries superior. 2 का मतलब है bilocular और joined है, clear? Now if we talk about the economic importance, then the plants of family Solanaceae are economically very important. Most of the plants are used as a food. Tomato, brinjal, potato, these all are the plants which are used as a food. अगर हम spices की बात करें, chilies, that also comes in family Solanaceae. Some plants are used in medicines like belladonna, ashwagandha, ठीक है, and fumigants also, like for example tobacco. And some plants are used as a ornamental plants, for example is petunia. So this is about the family Solanaceae. Now one plant which is in your syllabus, that is Solanum nigrum, clear? So this is Solanum nigrum, clear? This is the, you can say, shown the flower, ठीक है, ये आपको flower की structure दिखाएगी. This one is again the flower and the male part is shown in this. This is the stamens, clear? This is ovary which is shown superior. Now this is the floral diagram. ये बेटा आपकी floral diagram है. अब इसमें जितना नंबर है उसको आपने ड्रॉ करना है. ये जो बाहर का सिंबल है, दिस इज फॉर द सेपल्स. 5 सेपल्स है तो आपने 5 बार इसको ड्रॉ करना है. ज्वाइंट है तो आपने ऐसे इसको ज्वाइन कर देना. फिर ये 5 करोला है तो आपने ये वाला साइन यूज़ करना है करोला के लिए, राइट? तो यू हैव टू मेक दिस 5 सिम्बल्स, इसको ऐसे अपने सर्कल में ड्रॉ कर देना ज्वाइन करके, ठीक है। उसके बाद जितने भी मेल पार्ट्स आपने उसको ऐसे ड्रॉ करना, काउंट करके ड्रॉ करना। अब इसमें क्या है कि अटैच्ड है, तो आपने भी इनको उनके साथ अटैच करना है विद द पेटल्स। उसके बाद सेंटर में ये फीमेल पार्ट ड्रॉ किया गया, 2 लॉक्यूल्स है, सेंटर में लाइन है, एंड दीज आर द ओव्यूल्स ड्रॉन, ठीक है। ये ओव्यूल्स ड्रॉ किए हुए अटैच्ड सेंटर में प्लेसेंटा के साथ। सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन ड्रॉ द फ्लोरल डायग्राम अकॉर्डिंग टू द फ्लोरल फॉर्मूला। ओके, नाउ थैंक्स बेटा।